Welcome to the Quote of Wisdom, where we explore wisdom and discover how it can shape our better lives. Today we're exploring a profound truth that challenges everything our modern world teaches us about happiness and success.
Content is equivalent to wealth, and luxury to poverty. Joseph Addison.
At first glance, this might seem backward. Don't we all want more, better, nicer things? But hidden in these simple words is a life-changing wisdom that can transform how we pursue happiness and measure our success. True wealth isn't found in having everything you want, but in wanting what you have. Contentment, being satisfied with your life, makes you as rich as any billionaire. Meanwhile, constantly chasing luxury and excess leaves you spiritually poor, always hungry for more, never satisfied. The person who lives simply but appreciates their blessings is wealthier than someone surrounded by mansions and cars but tormented by endless desires. Real poverty isn't lacking money, it's lacking peace. Real wealth isn't endless possessions. It's a grateful heart that recognizes enough is enough. Joseph Addison was an 18th-century English essayist, poet, and politician who lived from 1672 to 1719. He lived during an era when England was experiencing newfound prosperity, and he witnessed firsthand how the pursuit of wealth and status consumed people's lives. Addison valued simple virtues, friendship, moderation, and inner peace. How to apply this to our lives? In our modern world, we're bombarded with messages telling us we need more. Social media shows us highlight reels of other people's seemingly perfect lives. Advertisements convince us that happiness is just one purchase away. We're told that success means a bigger house, a newer car, designer clothes, exotic vacations. But here's what nobody talks about: the treadmill never stops. Once you get what you wanted, there's always something else. The luxury becomes normal, and you're back to feeling empty. Applying Addison's wisdom starts with a shift in perspective. Begin practicing gratitude for what you already have. This isn't about settling or giving up on dreams. It's about recognizing that your life right now, with all its imperfections, contains countless blessings. Do you have people who love you? That's wealth. Can you enjoy a sunrise, a good meal, a peaceful moment? That's wealth. Health, safety, freedom, these are riches that no amount of money can guarantee. Next, examine your desires honestly. Ask yourself, am I pursuing this because it truly matters to me? Or because I think it will impress others? So much of what we call luxury is really just status seeking in disguise. We want things not because they bring genuine joy, but because they signal success to others. This is the poverty Addison warns about. Being enslaved to other people's opinions, never free to simply be yourself. Practice contentment as a skill. When you catch yourself thinking, I'll be happy when I get X, pause. Find something to appreciate right now. This doesn't mean you can't have goals or ambitions. It means your happiness doesn't depend on achieving them. You can work toward a better future while being content with your present. That's the secret. Contentment doesn't kill ambition, it frees it from desperation. Finally, simplify where you can. Our lives are cluttered with things we don't need, commitments we don't value, and distractions that steal our peace. Every unnecessary possession requires your time, energy, and attention. The less you need, the freer you become. Freedom, that's the ultimate wealth, and contentment is how you claim it. Friends, you don't need to wait for perfect circumstances to be happy. You don't need $1 million or a perfect life to be wealthy. The richest life is one where you appreciate what you have, love the people around you, and find peace in simplicity. When you cultivate contentment, you become unshakable. No economic downturn can steal your joy. No one else's success can diminish yours. You carry your wealth inside you, where it can never be lost or stolen. Start today. Look around at your life and find one thing to be grateful for. Then another, and another. That's how you build true wealth, one moment of appreciation at a time. You are richer than you think. If this message resonated with you, please help us grow together by subscribing and leaving a comment below. Have a truly wonderful day, and I'll be back with more valuable content. Thank you.